Your calendar is packed. Your phone won't stop buzzing. Everyone wants something from you, but you just want 5 minutes of peace. Marcus Aurelius was emperor of Rome, the busiest man in the world. But every morning, he did one thing before anyone could reach him. He sat in silence. He prepared his mind. This wasn't meditation. It was a Stoic ritual, simple, powerful, life-changing. So what did the Stoics know that we've forgotten? Brick Part 1: Why stillness is survival now. We live in an age of noise. If you're not careful, you become reactive, panicked, tired but wired. The Stoics believed, a calm mind sees clearly. A disturbed mind obeys impulse. That's why stillness isn't a luxury. It's survival. It's how you avoid burnout, emotional reactivity, and poor decisions. Ryan Holiday called it, stillness is the key. And he's right. Briefcase Part 2: The CEO who chose silence. David, a tech CEO, told me, I was snapping at my team. I couldn't sleep. My doctor said it wasn't stress, it was overload. So he tried something radical. 5 minutes each morning, sitting still, no emails, no phone, just him, his mind, and one Stoic question. Right finger, what's the worst that could happen today, and how would I respond with dignity? He called it his armor ritual. And after 30 days, he slept better, led better, lived lighter. Brain Part 3: The morning ritual. Premeditatio malorum. The Stoics practiced what they called premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. Each morning, they imagined what could go wrong. What if I get insulted? What if the deal falls through? What if I get rejected today? And they rehearsed their response, calm, composed, prepared. If you are prepared for everything, nothing can disturb you. Seneca. Mini practice, viewer participation. Close your eyes. Pause 2 seconds. Now imagine. Let's try it. Right now. Close your eyes. Visualize. The meeting gets canceled. Someone lets you down. A promise breaks. Now ask, how will I respond? With courage and grace? That's the power of this practice. Checkmark. Do it for just 5 minutes, right after you wake up. Before checking your phone, that's when your mind is most clear and most open. Do you already have a morning ritual? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Writing Hand Part 4: The evening reflection. The morning prepares you. The evening resets you. Marcus Aurelius ended each day asking, what did I do well? Where did I fail? What can I improve tomorrow? No self-hate, no guilt, just honest reflection and forward motion. How to? Grab a journal. Write 3 questions. What did I do well today? What would a Stoic have done better? What will I do differently tomorrow? That's it. No scrolling, no ranting, just clarity. Anti-clockwise arrows Part 5: Why this works. Why does this 5-minute ritual change lives? Because it does 3 things. Predicts stress before it surprises you. Strengthens your identity as someone calm under pressure. Creates emotional distance so you respond, not react. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? You ask, how does a Stoic face this with strength? That shift? It changes everything. Bullseye Part 6: Real strength is silent. Real power isn't noise. It's not yelling or controlling others. It's being so centered that nothing can move you. The Stoic doesn't beg for peace, he creates it. Start tomorrow. Wake up, sit up, close your eyes, and prepare your mind like a warrior. Are you ready to try the 5-minute Stoic ritual tomorrow morning? If yes, comment below Stoic Calm and let me know what time you'll start. This is just part 2 of our Stoic Mind series. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how to master emotions in your relationships. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's keep building stillness together.